morning to everybody. So today in this video I am going to explaining an important topic, that is cube of 3 digits. In the last video the cube of 2 digits I have explained. Today I am going to explaining cube of 3 digits. So very useful for the children as well as competitive examination prepare members also, for them also very useful. Time saving. Okay, if you can learn this kind of shortcuts, for that you can save the time a lot of the examination paper or in the classrooms. Okay, so by taking some numbers, 3-digit numbers, I will explain this topic. Right, the first one is, first we are going to finding cube of 103 whole cube. Cube of 103 whole cube, how to find out? Very easy. So very simple. While you are finding the cube of any 3-digit number, so we have some formulas also be there, algebraic identities are there. So like x cube, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3y square. So generally that formulas students they can be applied. So instead of that, by using this shortcut we can find out very easily the cube of 3-digit number. So that is the process is, in these 3 digits, this is 1 now and this is, these 2 numbers take as a single digit and this is 1 digit, like that first divide and then draw the 4 dashes. So 03 whole cube 27 and 1 cube 1. In each dash we must be write in each dash we should write 2 digits. So next 1 into 03 into 3. Okay, 1 into 03 into 3. So 1 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 should be right. Okay, right. Next with this number multiply this number 03. So 9 3s are 27. So therefore answer is 1092727. This is the 103 whole cube answer. So very easy. So one more sum I will explain. That is 105 whole cube. How to find out 105 whole cube? 105 whole cube. So same as like first two number, here also this is 1 digit. These 2 numbers make it as a 1 digit. Draw the 4 dashes. 05 whole cube 125. So 125 it consists of 3 digits, but we should be right in each dash only 2 digits. So in this 125, 25 should be right here, 1 carry here. Okay. Next 1 cube 1 only. Afterwards what I said for you, 1 into 05 1 into 05 into 3, 5 3s are 15, write 15 here. Okay, and then with this number multiply this number, 15 5s are 75. Okay, now the final answer is 115, 75 plus 1 76, 25, right. So this is the answer for 105 whole cube. Okay, answer for 105 whole cube. Next one more sum I want to explain. Now I am going to explaining 110 whole cube, how to find out? 110 whole cube. 110 whole cube. So 110 whole cube, how to find out? Very simple. In these three numbers, first number 1 and these two digits, make it as a one group. So 110 whole cube we are going to finding. Afterwards, draw the 4 dashes. 4 dashes we have to draw. Then 10 cube. 10 cube how much? 1000. 10 cube how much? 1000. In this 1000 we have 3 zeros are there. That is 3 digit number. So in that only 2 digits. These 2 digits right here. 2 zeros right there. And then this 10 should be carried to here. And should be carried to there. Now 1 cube 1. Next 1 into 10. 10 3s are 30. Okay. And then what you can do? 30 into 10 300. 30 into 10. 30 into 10 300. So in that 300 again this is a 3 digit number. So that's why in this 3 digit 2 zeros right should be here, 3 should be carried to here. Okay. Now 1 3 plus 30 33, 10 plus 2 zeros 10 only, 2 zeros. That is the 110 whole cube answer. Okay students, so like this way we can find out the 3 digits answer within fraction of seconds, very easy. Okay, so like this way, by taking some more numbers we have to practice by your own, like 115, 100 or 215 or like the whatever